Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Niveen Amin. I will show you today how to write your business plan for your startup company. Please follow up my video till the end to know the steps of writing your business plan. And please subscribe my video and don't forget to write in the comments that you have subscribed to follow up with you if you have any comments. Business plan helps you to run your own business. A good business plan guides you in each stage of starting your business and managing your business. You will use your business plan as a roadmap for how to structure, run, and grow your business. It is a way of thinking and structuring all the key elements of starting your business. Business plan can help you get funding or bring you an investor to be partner with you. And investors need to feel confident that they are investing in a right company. Therefore, a business plan is a tool which shows them how they can invest and get their profits back. When you are going to write your business plan, you have to start with giving a brief summary about the company. What is the name of your company? What is the mission statement? Your product or service? The basic information about your company, leadership team, your employees, your location, and you should also include some of the financial information and the high-level gross plan if you plan to ask for financing or funding from outside. Use your company description to provide detailed information about your company. Go into details about the problems your business solves. Be specific and link the consumers, organization, or business your company plans to serve. Explain the competitive advantages that will make your business a successful business. Are there experts on your team? Have you ever found the perfect location for your store? Your company description is the place to post about your strengths of your business. Market analysis. You will need a good understanding of your industry, outlook and target market, and your customers, niche customers. Competitive research will show you what other businesses are doing and what their strengths are in the market research. Look for trends and themes. What do successful competitions do? Why does it work? Can you do it better? Now is the time to answer these questions. Organization and management. Tell your reader how your company will be structured and the organization chart of your company and who will run it. Describe the legal structure of your business. State whether you have or intend to incorporate your business as a C or an F corporation. Form a general or limited partnership, or if you are a sole proprietor or LLC. Use an organization chart to lay out who is in charge of what in your company. Show how each person's unique experience will contribute to the success of your company venture. Consider including resumes and CVs of the key members of your service or product line. Describe what you will going to sell and the service you will offer, how it benefits your customers, and what the product life cycle looks like. Share your plans for intellectual properties like copyright or patent filing. If you are doing research and development for your service or products, explain it in details. Marketing and sales. There is no single way to approach a marketing strategy. Your strategy should evolve and change to fit your unique needs. Your goal in this section is to describe how you will attract your customer and retain them. You will also describe how a sale will actually happen. You will refer to this section later. When you make financial projections, you make sure to truly describe your complete marketing analysis and researches and marketing plan. Financial projections. If your business is already established, include income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements for the last 3 to 5 years. If you are still a startup, please do a plan for your financial position, financial strategy in this section. If you have other collateral you could put against a loan, make sure to list it now. Provide a prospective financial outlook for the 5 years. Include forecast income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and capital expenditure budgets for the first year. Be even more specific and use quarterly or even monthly projections. Make sure clearly explain your projection and match them to your funding request if you need a funding. I have ended my explanation about the business plan. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button to receive more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.